Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by dialing in fit and source. First, get a secure seal with foam or silicone tips. A proper seal improves bass and spatial cues. Once done, set your PC or phone to the headphone output and disable audio enhancements that add processing. If you have a USB DAC or low latency cable, use it to reduce jitter and improve clarity. Make sure to keep levels low while testing to avoid hearing damage and to verify channel polarity and basic responsiveness. Now you configure the audio chain for gaming performance. Start by matching sample rate and bit depth between game, OS, and DAC to avoid resampling artifacts. Next, use a subtle EQ. Cut narrow 3.5 kHz peaks that cause fatigue and add a small boost around 8200 Hz to restore punch lost by small drivers. Once done, test positional cues with an HRTF or stereo widening preset, but make sure to monitor latency. Prioritize direct stereo when milliseconds matter. Finish by balancing in-game mixes and validating positional accuracy. Set master volume around 75–85% and tweak music/voice sliders until footsteps and gunfire sit clearly above ambient sound. Once done, run consistent positional tests using familiar maps or dedicated audio demos to confirm directionality. If things go wrong, swap tips and cables first, then reinstall drivers or reset audio settings. Make sure to take hearing breaks and reduce levels if sounds are distorted. That often reveals driver clipping or fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.